Bali 2022. It's the 17th. It's Thursday Thunder. It's the last 17th of the year. My camera, my little tripod, it's on a wet branch over there, and it kept sliding. So what did I do? I adjusted it. It wasn't working. I adjusted it. Now it's tighter. Now it's going to work. That's all we need. Tiny little adjustments on a regular basis to bring about huge change. That's what every single day is about. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. It's the end of the year. Do you have a big, lofty goal for 2021? I mean, with Corona tight, I got to say my excitement from last night was I'm going to the supermarket. Yet 2022 is Bali. What is it? It's a workshop, it's a retreat, it's a conference, it's a whatever you want to call it. It is people together being better. It is people together improving. I don't know exactly what it is yet, but see, the idea is that I'm putting it in my own head. I'm saying Bali 22 because that then plants the seeds into my mind, more importantly, my heart and my gut, to grow that seed. I have now a year and a half, almost 2 years to do it. And I'm going to build up to it by having monthly events in 2021. How am I going to build the monthly events? I could have a weekly Thursday Thunder video. That's been working out pretty well in 2020, Corona and all. How do I get to the weekly? Because I create on a daily basis. I was talking with Mariella, and she said that, Bradley, do you have an evaluation after the week? I'm like, no, I just create. How about quarterly? I'm like, Mariella, quarterly is too complicated for me. I can never figure it out. Is it like March or is it April? When is the quarter? Keep it simple. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. What is your big goal for 2021? Do you have one? And make one that is, here's like attainable and kind of easy and you know it's probably going to happen. Then here's like, I'm going to go on a rocket ship to Mars. Not going to happen. So where in there, keep it something doable, something that could happen. But where in there's a little bit out of your comfort zone, something that's bigger than you, something that ideally doesn't involve just you. What if you needed a team? Bali 22. That's my plan for 2021. To build up events online, because we have to, in person as soon as we can, building up to the big event in Bali 2022. I talked with Edwina. She said, "Oh, I can see your Bali 2022." I'm like, "Oh, really? Tell me about it." Did you catch that? I'm talking with others about my plan, about my dream. I'm letting it out of my system. It's like the secret. The secret is out. The cat is out of the bag. I'm out of the closet. I'm planning Bali 2022. It's going to be like a personal development, self-help, writing, meditation, yoga, health. I don't exactly know. I'm saying all of these things that are just coming off the top of my head, but it's going to be a retreat. It's going to be a life-transforming retreat in Bali, at least 10 days. And as Edwina explained it, there are 3 parts to it. The first part is for the trainers, the speakers, the organizers, and we are going to have a pre-retreat prep. And this is going to be us working on the conference, but we're also preparing. We're getting to know each other. Maybe we had never met in person before. Now we're there in person, live, and we're going to have several days where we are then going to rise up, lift up the energy to then start the conference. Then there's the section of the conference, the retreat, the workshop, whatever you want to call it itself. This is where people come in person. I know, crazy, 2020, it's going to happen, I swear. People come, we have our conference, we have our workshop. This is not the Bradley Charbonneau workshop. This is the Repossible Retreat. This is Bali 2022. And it's not just me. I might be the guy with the mic, but my favorite part is handing off that mic to the next speaker, to the next show, to the next act. Here you go. Hey, I'm Bradley Charbonneau. This is Rich Robinson. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Are you there? Then there's going to be sort of the VIP. So the greater group can decide whether they've had their 5 days, they're good, or they want like the VIP treatment in one-on-one. So the coaches, the trainers, the speakers, we're still there, and we're going to have the VIP 5 days where we're going to go deep, working one-on-one, getting it done. But how long is that going to take? I don't know. Rich was telling me, but I am inspired by Bali because Rich moved to Bali this year and invited me and the Repossible retreat to take place in Bali 2022. I mean, how bad can it be? I think there's snorkeling. You know how I said the sun is always shining? Did I mention that? The sun is shining right now. It just happens to be that there are clouds between me and the sun, but the sun is always shining. It just depends on where you are in perspective in relation to clouds, to obstructions. Maybe it's the shades in your house. Yep, it's dark. Oh, look, it's light. Yep, it's dark. Oh, look, it's light. That's all it takes to get the sun. It's always there. Just like people are always there for you. People are always looking for a team. They're always looking for partners. They might not say it. How are you going to connect? Shoot. Oh, we missed. Oh, we missed. Connect. I have a book called Ask. Hey, would you like to be a speaker at the Bali conference? Sounds fun to me. I'll go. I'll go. Me? Yeah. Thanks. I'll do that. Rich said we probably need some planning. I'm probably going to have to go like a month early. You know, I got to do what you got to do. Hey, Pepper Sniffer. Hey, Pepper Sniffer. All right. Hey, this is the last video of the year. This is Pepper the Schnaps. He's the happiest dog on the planet. Although I'm pretty sure most all dogs are happy. You know, it's just like in their nature. And I think it's in our nature as well. It's just we suppress it and we let things like, I don't know, the news take it over. Whereas 2020 for me has been all about creating. I think I published 10 books. So I am creating faster than the badness in the news can catch up with me. It's like I'm running the marathon and I've got it all ahead of me and I'm just striving forward because I'm busy creating. Because I don't need that junk to catch up with me to let me know what I'm supposed to do. I'm heading forward. I've got that baton behind me. I can grab it from you and take you along. Let's go. Let's go forward. Let's create. It's out there. The sun is shining right over there. What are your big goals and dreams for 2021? What's that big audacious one? What's that scary one? Let me know. Write me back. Tell me what it is. I don't care if it's nutty, if it's wild and crazy, and it'll never happen. That's fine. But what if you put it out there? What if you dared tell me? What's it gonna hurt? It's gonna get it out of that like secretness, that secretive cavern darkness in your somewhere buried in your gut or your heart, and set it free a little bit and see what happens. Daily, weekly, monthly, annual goals. Daily, create. Weekly, do a video. Monthly, connect with you on the 17th. Annually, big event. Big event. Real people, real time, in person, holding hands, hugging. I know, it's crazy. It's gonna happen though. What are you doing in 2022? When I come to Bali? I know, I'm gonna make this up right now. Go to Bali, BALI .repossible.com and I'll tell you more. Because what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go right up that page and explain what my dream is for like 18, 20 months from now. What if you did that? What if you took, what is my dream for 2021 or even 2022? 2021, I can tell you, it's events every month. Summit, Repossible Summit every month. I can't believe I'm saying this because now I'm going to do it. You know how I'm up for a challenge, right? John Muldoon, I'm looking at you, November 1st, 2012. Hey, Bradley, why don't you write every day for 30 days? 2,808. Yeah, that's what that turned into. I'm not saying that it has to be that, but the daily habit, the daily creation is keeping me ahead. Let me give the Heisman Trophy pose. Keeping me ahead of whatever's behind me. The badness, the news, the evil, the yuck, the blah. I'm not even looking that way. I'm creating, I'm heading forward. What are your daily, weekly, monthly, annual goals coming up for 2021? Hit reply, write me back. Or if this is in YouTube, put a comment down below. This is Thursday Thunder because it's Thursday. It's the 17th. It's the last month of the year. 2021 is coming. It has got to be better than 2020. Pretty much guaranteed. What are you going to make of it? You're gonna stay ahead of that junk catching up with us? Come with me. Let's create. Let's shoot for Bali 2022. And I will see you every single week right here on Thursday Thunder.